Guys, so far this year, we have gotten the OnePlus 10 Pro, the OnePlus 10R as well, but not the vanilla OnePlus 10. We didn't even have any news really about the OnePlus 10 till now. Today, we have got a lot of interesting information about the OnePlus 10. So this information is courtesy of OnLeaks, so I have a decent amount of faith in their reliability. Let's start with the specifications. Currently, OnePlus is testing two different smartphone variants, one of them running a Qualcomm chipset and the other one running a MediaTek SoC. The company has not decided which version they want to go and start mass production with. This means that the smartphone is in early stages of development and won't be releasing in the first half of 2022. The version using the Qualcomm chipset is said to be running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the variant with the MediaTek processor is the MediaTek 9000. But like I said, we don't know which variant will go into mass production. The chipset is going to be paired with 2 RAM options and 2 storage options. You can either choose between 8 or 12 gigs of RAM and 128 or 250 gigs of internal storage. The smartphone features an AMOLED display of 6.7 inches with Full HD resolution, and it will also feature a high refresh rate of 120Hz. In all likelihood, the display technology of the OnePlus 10 will be LPTO, so that the smartphone can change the refresh rate and adapt it between 1Hz and 120Hz depending upon the content being displayed. The battery of the smartphone could be 4800 mAh, which is 300 more than its predecessor, the OnePlus 9. And guys, according to this report, the charging speeds of this smartphone could be 150 watts. Yes guys, you heard it right, 150 watts could be present on the OnePlus 10. I think this feature in its own deserves a separate video because not even the OnePlus 10 Pro has 150 watts of charging, it maxes out at 80 watts. So what was OnePlus thinking about giving 2 times faster charging speeds on the non-Pro variant? As for the cameras, the smartphone will have a 50 megapixel primary camera followed up by a 16 megapixel ultra-wide shooter and the last one being a 2 megapixel macro lens. At the front we have an upgraded selfie lens of 32 megapixel. The smartphone still continues the partnership with Hasselblad. We don't have an exact release date of the smartphone, but we know that it hasn't entered mass production yet, so safely we can assume that there are at least 2 months before OnePlus goes official with the 10. And guys, the OnePlus 10 could be their main phone for second half. You know what the T phones used to be? It could be that. Let me know guys your thoughts about OnePlus releasing the Pro early and the vanilla later on. Subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. Hit the like button if you enjoyed. You can say hi to me on the socials. And guys, thanks a lot for watching.